Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your African bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search African Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to ib.africanbank.co.za. It will then take you to the official website of African Bank. There, enter your username, then enter your PIN. Lastly, enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your African Bank account. If you have forgot your login details, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Login Details Reset. And if you do not have any account yet, you can register a new account by clicking to Register. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.